Check out this pair here. Slick black 68 Camaro and a slick black 71 El Camino. Both red interiors. Nice little that small block. Well, how straight this car is. 4-speed car. Yeah, this is nice. Finished everywhere. The Eagle's pretty cool on that. Straight as can be. Look at that paint job. Beautiful. It's like flames hidden in the dash. That's pretty neat. El Camino's running C4 Corvette wheels. Well detailed again. And super straight. Look at the flush fit glass on it. This one's a 4-speed car too. Check out the little wing they built off the back. Nice looking cars. That's a nice pair to have. Look, the grill treatment on that is pretty cool too. Wrapped down underneath. Almost looks like 71 Camaro-ish, the way he's got that bumper modified like that. Tucked in nice and tight in the corners. Boy, they're nice cars.